Hi, I'm CC. This video will show you CrownCAD's data management, offering you a secure and efficient 3D design environment. In CrownCAD, data is stored as projects in the cloud. After signing into CrownCAD, you can enter the project management page to manage your data. My project contains all projects you have created. Shared with me stores projects shared by other users. Public includes projects set as public by users. You can copy public projects to my project with all parts and assemblies copied synchronously. Trash holds all deleted projects for restoration or permanent deletion. Before starting your design, create a project including empty documents for parts and assemblies. Opening a document can enter the design interface. Then, you can create new parts, assemblies, and engineering drawings within the project. You can also create folders to categorize projects and documents. To reorganize, right-click to select, move, and choose a target folder or drag and drop documents. In addition, CrownCAD supports importing over 20 mainstream CAD formats, meeting your needs for model interaction and reuse. This is the introduction to CrownCAD's project management. Visit www.crowncad.com to start your design journey.